everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make hot and sour chicken soup, so let's get started. On medium heat, add a piece of chicken into a pot, 1 litre of water, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 sachet of chicken stock, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Put the lid on the pot and leave for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn the chicken onto the other side and leave it again for another 10 minutes. Remove the chicken and place it onto a plate. Leave the broth as we will be using it later. Use 2 forks to shred the chicken. Place the shredded chicken to the side. Going back to the broth, add a tablespoon of white rice vinegar, a tablespoon of chili sauce, a tablespoon of soy sauce. Mix together until well combined. Then add 110 grams of grated carrots. Add 800 grams of mashed sweet corn, 85 grams of mushroom. Add the shredded chicken and then stir until well combined. Place the lid and leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. Remove the lid and stir. Then add 60 grams of chopped spring onion. Add a handful of coriander. Add 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch into 125 ml of water and dissolve. Add the dissolved cornstarch into the soup. Mix an egg into a cup and then pour into the soup. Serve it on a plate. Add a handful of chopped spring onion. And voila! Enjoy!